How to apply a PPT soft cushion cover and a vinyl top cover to an ICB orthotic. The ICB product is 100% EVA and readily accepts different combinations of materials. Use a 40 grade grinding paper to rough the surface of the ICB orthotic. Pay particular attention to the heel cup area. This will allow the glue to bond fully to the dorsal surface of the orthotic and so give a good bonding to the cover. We're using double abraded or buffed 1.5mm PPT. The shiny surface is removed to provide better adherence. Position the orthotic on the soft PPT cover. We're using double abraded material. Apply the glue to the dorsal surface of the ICB orthotic. Make sure that it's fully applied and that you've got plenty of glue going into the heel cup area. Apply the glue to the PPT cover. Use a heat gun to lightly heat both surfaces so that it's tack dry. This is important to achieve the best bonding outcome. Commence applying the cover to the distal edge and work back towards the heel cup. Note that the technician is easing the cover into the heel cup. The technician is ensuring that there are no bubbles underneath the cover and that the edges are completely glued down. Note how he is running his finger around the edge of the orthotic to ensure that there's a good fit to the cover. Trim the PPT cover with scissors, leaving a skirt of about 1 to 2 millimeters around the entire edge of the orthotic. A bench grinder will give you the best and cleanest edge. Only remove the PPT material and keep your hands soft as you grind. The purpose of this exercise now is to remove the PPT material without destroying or removing any of the EVA material, and note the technician is paying particular attention to the angles on the medial lateral sides and also around the heel cup area. Next, the technician is removing bulk from the PPT cover around the edges and distal aspect of the orthotic. Whilst you're completing this step, you must ensure that you do not reduce the height of the EVA lateral, medial or heel cup areas. Just remove the PPT overhang. Achieving clean edges at this point is important, not only for the look but also for the comfort of the patient. We need to take the bulk out of the edges so that when we apply the cover, we won't be able to see the PPT on the edges. The bench grinder can be used to do this. However, if you find this difficult, you can use a Dremel to do the same job. Use the Dremel to thin the PPT down around the edges. Use the hand grinder or Dremel to thin the bulk around the edges, and pay particular attention to tapering the distal edge of the orthotic so that it's comfortable for the patient. The last step is to use the 40 grade paper to smooth off and tidy up the edges of the orthotic. Number 3 in the Orthotic Training Series is how to apply the vinyl cover to the PPT on an ICB orthotic.